everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's topic, we are diving into something essential for business dealing with imported goods, the landed cost module in D365. We will explore how this powerful tool helps you accurately estimate the total cost of products by incorporating not just the purchase price, but also those extra costs like freight, duties, and insurance. I will also show you how D365 can automatically generate these estimates using the AutoCost scenario. For those who are new here, I am Mahmoudul Hassan, your go-to resource for everything related to Microsoft Dynamics 365. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates and in-depth tutorial on D365. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started with today's topic and see how the landed cost module can help your business stay ahead. The landed cost module in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations is a powerful tool designed to help businesses manage and track the total costs associated with imported goods. It captures not just the purchase price of products but also additional costs such as transportation cost, custom duties, insurance, and handling fees. This module gives companies a comprehensive view of the real cost of acquiring goods, helping them improve pricing decision, inventory valuation, and profitability analysis. Some of the key features of manufacturing modules are shipment management. Shipment management can track the entire journey of goods from the supplier to the destination. It can create, monitor, and manage shipments and containers, ensuring visibility into the movement and status of goods in transit. Cost allocation is a major feature. It can capture various import related costs such as freights, duties, insurance, etc. It can allocate these costs to the inventory items based on methods such as weight, volume, quantity, or value. By incorporating all costs, the module ensures that your inventory reflects the actual landed cost of goods. This helps in setting correct prices, maintaining accurate financials, and determining true profitability. It can manage goods that are still in transit by monitoring their status and expecting arrival, ensuring better planning and inventory control. Multi-currency support is also a feature of landed cost. It can handle different currencies for international shipments, ensuring correct cost tracking and allocation when dealing with global suppliers. Automatically update general ledger accounts and inventory value once the costs are allocated, ensuring seamless financial integration. Landed cost module ensures that all important or import related costs are included, leading to more accurate product costing and pricing decisions. With complete visibility into costs, business can better track profitability and make more informed financial decisions. The ability to track shipments and costs throughout the entire supply chain ensures smoother operations than inventory planning. Automated cost allocation and financial integration reduce manual work, minimizing errors in cost calculation in landed cost module. Let's dive into creating a purchase order by applying auto cost settings. For this, we need to go to the landed cost module, click on landed cost. Under cost settings, click on cost type codes. Here you can see I have defined the cost type codes with the name commission, duty, freight, miscellaneous, non-dutiable, and VAS, value added service. I have set up all the relevant settings for debit account, credit account, clearing account, standard cost, charge, and variant account for this top cost type codes. If I click on the costing setup and auto cost and change the cost area to purchase order, here you can see that the commission, freight, duty as miscellaneous. I have already defined these expenses for auto cost. Let's say if I want to create a new expense, click on add, select the cost type. Let's say if I want to add a value added service, click on value added service. You can also select the apportionment. You can also select the percentage, quantity, amount, volume, weight, measurement, and volumetric. For this example, I have selected the quantity, and in the category, you can also select pieces, percentage, rate, volumetric. For this demonstration, I will select the fixed category. Let's say I will type in the cost value as a 100 USD. Click on save. Let's create a new purchase order. Click on new, select the vendor. I will select a test vendor I created for this demonstration and select my warehouse. I will select one default that is already created for this demonstration. Click on OK. Add an item to this purchase order. Let's say I have created a demo product for this demonstration. Select this product, select the variant ID. Let's say 1000 quantity of this product will be purchased from the vendor and unit price is 200 USD. Click on save. On the purchase tab in the actions, click on confirm to confirm this purchase order. If I scroll right under the landed cost tab, if I click on cost inquiry, you can see that there is no cost allocated at this stage. It is because of shipment is not created. For the shipment, I need to create a new voyage. Click on view voyage, enter the description, test voyage, select the vessel. In this case, I will select the ship and my journey template is from China to USA. Click on OK. Select my purchase order and add this purchase order to staging list. Click on view staging list. I will add this purchase order to a new shipping container. Let's say I will select the 20 FL container. My shipment date is, let's say, today, and click on OK. In this case, you can see that the voyage status is created, and if I click on the voyage in the Journal tab under Inquiries, if I click on Cost Inquiry, you can see that 9,600 is the total estimated cost that is populated from auto cost on this voyage. If I click on view and toggle by item cost type code, click on OK, you can see that my commission, duty, freight, miscellaneous and was is populated there from auto cost and its estimated cost as well. This estimated cost is not populated yet on the purchase order. If I go to the purchase order, under purchase tab, charges and view voyage cost, you can see that commission, freight, duty, miscellaneous and all costs are there, but estimated cost is not updated on the purchase order level because it is not invoiced yet. For this estimated cost to be applied, I need to invoice that purchase order. To invoice, click on invoice, click on generate invoice. I will type in the invoice number and click on post. My invoice is posted, and if I go back to the voyage cost, you can see that my estimated costs are updated from the cost type codes cost value. If I go to the invoice again, in invoice journal, view the voucher, you can see that vendor balance is populated with the amount of the product, and the cost of purchase material is populated, or the ledger is hit with the product cost and the estimated import cost as well. That wraps up today's video. In the next episode, we will delve deeper into details of landed cost and how it integrates with your purchasing and inventory processes in D365. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.